45 minutes ago, but I finally booked my hotel in Myeong-dong. So the lovely information desk told me to go on the RX train and transfer at a station to get near my hotel, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's around 7:30. To be honest, I'm happy I hung out in Busan, but I wish I got to Seoul a little earlier. But you know what, I still have tomorrow and try to explore a little bit, but I'm honestly going to see Dr. Cho to do my K-beauty treatments because I haven't been here since December and I got super busy in the spring and summer, so now is the time to refresh and get everything done that I need to get done. So I'll see you at the hotel and I'm gonna hop on the train soon. By the way, Korea, I can't help emphasize this, but of course the airports here are so nice. America, take note. Except for MSP, that's like the nicest airport that I've experienced in the US.
When you come, everything just turns around.
And you know what else? The metros are also super clean here. I love them. And people know how to wait in line and take their turns getting on and off. Something that people in New York do not understand, nor in the US in general. And look how white the train is, like super pristine, velvet chairs, but I'm standing because there's no seats. I'm hungry again, so I'm gonna find something to eat as soon as I get to Myeongdong.
I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Checked in and I'm going to tell you something. Finding this hotel was a little strange once I got to the right street. I saw the sign for it, but it led me to this weird dark alley. So I'm going to show you how I got in here because it looks really sketchy. But the hotel is really cool. It's a really interesting boutique hotel. And I'm going to give you a little hotel tour. And I'm checking out on the 9th, so I should get another night. Normally I would just like check out tomorrow, hold my luggage, run around Seoul, and go to the airport super late at night to catch my flight the following day. But you know what? I kind of want to just chillax in Seoul for like an extra day since I haven't been here since December and just relax at the hotel as well. But yeah, I gotta call Dr. Cho and see what time I can come in tomorrow. And I'm starving because it's already 9:30. I already stashed a bunch of stuff in here. Trash receptacle, TV, little hanger, bathroom. This is very interesting, this trunk. It doesn't open. No bathtub, but it's a nice shower. And I love this. How cool is this? So cute. Little teacups. Yeah, so that's the hotel tour, the mini tour. So now I gotta show you what it looks like when you try to get here because it is super confusing and it looks very sketchy because you're going down this alleyway. And I also need to find something to eat. It's like a little after 10 p.m. Guess what? It's like 1:40 in the morning. I've settled into my hotel suite, obviously, for how late it is. And I just was like snoozing a little bit, but now I'm like wired. And so I wanted to show you how weird this area is. Like a dark alleyway and then the front door closes at a certain time. So I found the back door. But anyway, I'll show you the little area just because I couldn't figure it out initially. But it's actually a really cool hotel. So tomorrow morning when it's daylight, I'll give you a better tour of like the common space and just the overall layout because it's a really unique boutique hotel and I think it was decorated very thoughtfully and it has like this industrial chic feel to it. So this was the first thing I saw when I approached the street. So I'm like, okay, that's where I'm staying. But then look where I walked. I asked a convenience store where the hotel is, and he said, oh, you gotta walk down here. So I'm like, okay. So of course I like initially saw this and I was like, this can't be it. But it is. And here's the ramp for where you wanna roll your luggage. And this is the front entrance. MMMIO. So yeah, normally this would be open. And I walk through the lobby. And I'm gonna show you the backside. So let's go through this alley again. And I kind of want to eat because I still have jet lag. And Dr. Cho and I spoke on Skype earlier, but I think she goes to bed early. So she saw my messages and she didn't really tell me what time or if she's available tomorrow to come into Lay Clinic. I think she will make time, but I can also stay an extra day in Seoul, I think. Look it, nothing's open over here. I gotta find an area that's open so I can have a small meal somewhere.
Oh, Jesus!
And there's a man walking. Ooh. Like normally I should not be walking around in the dark like this. But again, I have jet lag and I'm hungry, so I gotta find something to eat somewhere. I don't know where, but this is the other side of the hotel entrance. And it's very secure because I have like my hotel key to make sure that it allows me to enter at a certain time because the front door locks at like midnight. So here it is. Here's the back door. Yeah, so
출입문을 열었습니다.
and here's a common space where people smoke and drink and do whatever. I'm gonna go find something to eat. So let's see what I find. And it's almost 2 in the morning. Okay, good morning, Myeongdong. It's 6:20 in the morning, and I'm not even sleeping yet. And this morning you saw me super early, around 6:15 in the morning with a sheet mask. I showered super late, I guess super early. Let's not forget, it's Korea, so I must do a sheet mask. My sleep is so messed up. Of course, it's a must do in Korea. I should do it more often in New York. And so I've been up since like 10, and I actually booked another night in this hotel, but I am in a different suite now, 1 floor below. Basically, the room that I was just in, someone else booked it for 6 nights, so they couldn't just like give them this room for a night. But yeah, so right now I will get ready. Woo! What is this? Oh my gosh, this thing blows out like a room fragrance. That scared me. Basically, I will be getting ready to go to Lay Clinic because I talked to Dr. Cho, and I'm not going to eat anything on the way because I really want to go to the fancy Taco Bell in Gangnam and do a little mukbang there. So that's what I really want to do to save my appetite. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the hotel. Okay, so this also has one of these little critters. This is what scared the crap out of me. It blew out a bunch of fragrance. And yeah, I like this clock. Look how cool that is. A little different layout, less natural lighting, huge TV. I like the seating area, but who's gonna be sitting? But the bathroom I do like a bit more because there's this tiny tub and this rainfall shower. So yeah. Love these little decorative themes on each floor as you go down the stairs. There's an elevator, but I like the stairs. I don't mind. See, look at this. Cute. Okay, now this is a common space. It's nice. Fridge, microwave. What's in here? Okay, so you can store your food. Kitchenette. Common restroom, which is nice. Ooh, and you can do your laundry. But yeah, how charming is this? Look at this. This is a very cute hotel. Okay, I'm on the 6th floor and you can't really tell what this is, but it's a water filter, which is amazing. There's a lot of water filters in Korean hotels, so you don't have to buy water. This is the 6th floor where I was last night in a common space. I observed something very interesting. I feel like most of the people, the staff that work here, are Mandarin speakers. Like there's no Koreans. Well, this is the back area. Well, I'm going to show you what the lobby looks like. So this is the front desk. Woo! And this is where you saw me last night when I entered. Super comfortable, and here's the balcony where you saw people smoking. But I'm gonna show you the front entrance too, because that was locked last night. Oh, there's a cafe. I didn't notice this. Cute. I didn't know there's a cafe down here. Yeah. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel like I'm in Brooklyn, New York. This is where I came in last night, in this alley, right? But it's legit. People are staying here. Well, this looks way different in daylight. More paper, printing press. I'm super excited to go to Lake Clinic. It may not seem like it, but I'm just tired because of jet lag. Oh, let's do this. And I keep saying this. In this area, there's a lot of like printing press things. Like I'm seeing things where people are making artwork and paper and copying, just heavily recycling involved. Like look, they're all recycling paper right now. Look it, there's so much paper over here. It's very interesting. Now I gotta find the subway.